We're gonna be doing the next recipe, which is the vegan homemade butter. And this recipe has 3 oils. And this is the extra virgin olive oil. This is my favorite because it does not have like a strong taste. I buy this every time at John's. This is the best for this recipe. And also I bought this at John's too. It's the organic coconut oil, cold pressed. Because personally I like the taste of the coconut in here. If you don't like that taste, you could do the unrefined. But then again, it's unrefined. You don't really want to do, you know, I think this is better. I mean, you're going to try it and you're going to like it. It's more natural, more healthier for you. And also a lecithin liquid oil. This is a very dense oil, very thick. This is what makes the color yellowish and also helps the butter to be dense. And it also liquid lecithin oil, it's healthier. It's healthier for you for you to digest this too. And we're gonna be doing the Himalaya pink salt again. You know, we always use this. It's good because it doesn't cause your body to be like in inflammation. And you know, it's so many good benefits. You could Google that. High blood pressure, for your heart too. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get 1 cup of water, room temperature water, and you're gonna get 1 tablespoon of the pink salt, and you're gonna whisk or mix it around until it dissolves. And it's okay if there's still a little bit of it because it is more wholesome, this salt. And then you're gonna do your oils. So where's my cup measure? Oh, I put it back. Okay. So you're gonna do, the original recipes required more of the coconut oil, but I played around with the recipe and I don't think you do need it. So we're gonna do 1 cup of coconut oil. Please write it down. So let me do that. So this is the 1 cup in here. So I already measured it. So you're gonna add your coconut oil. And everyone that has tried this recipe, they love it. So we always go to this recipe. It is a bit addicting because it's so good and healthy. But just, you know, be moderate with it, you know. You could use it also for your baking recipes, like for cookies and all that stuff. And get all of it. So, and then you're going to do 3/4 of a cup of this oil. And if you can't find this oil, just do the light olive oil. Yeah. So we're gonna do 3/4 of this.
How long does it store in the refrigerator?
In the refrigerator, maybe 2 weeks, but it won't last that long because you're gonna eat it. But on your freezer, I don't know, I haven't tried it because we always eat it. But maybe, I don't know, a couple of months maybe, because it's, you know, it's all frozen. So, and as soon as you take it out, you'll see it's like butter. Oh, I'm sorry, I did the whole cup. Let me take it. Okay, 3/4. So 2 tablespoons of this oil. We're gonna see how thick it is. The lecithin oil. And I bought this one at Whole Foods for like $6. You could buy it online too, or I don't know if Whole Wheatery carries this. I have no idea. But I know in the Valley, it's Whole Foods. And you're gonna do 2 of this. See how thick it is? Almost like honey, maybe. So you're gonna do 1 and just kind of wait. Oh, here's my spatula. You want all that oil in there. And then another one. And I researched about this oil. It doesn't spoil. It doesn't rot or you know the rancid. There you go. That's the right word. It doesn't do that. So it lasts for a long time because you're only using 2 tablespoons. So it's worth your money, you know. So you want everything in there, and now you're gonna blend everything. No, you're gonna blend. That's it. So that with this machine. Put it on one. You blend it for like a minute, but you will notice how it starts to become like a butter. So you could time it. I used to time it, but you could just tell the consistency. You see how it's getting thick?
Yeah.
Okay. No, not yet. So as soon as you see that it's turning like a darker yellowish and it looks like butter, you're gonna add the water with the salt slowly. And also just a minute or maybe 30 seconds or something. I think that's perfect.
Do you have a container?
No. Did I get one? I can use the same on the salt. So they can see the consistency of it.
Marisol, what led you to becoming a vegan?
Well, let me to Well, I tried the vegan food and it was so delicious.
Oh, okay.
So I got inspired. I'm like, I love this food, but how am I gonna cook if I don't know how to cook?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I was kind of those persons that they would kind of eat the same thing every day because I didn't know how to cook, and so you know I had to learn. And one of my sisters taught me, and she taught me from scratch. So I'm kind of used to it now, and now I've learned too that you just play with the recipes. Yeah.
Pretty color too.
So I'm just used to making this butter. I like this butter. It's so good. I love the coconut taste of it. Yes.
How long will it last in the fridge?
In the fridge, I've tried it probably 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, and from that, all the ingredients, you make this much. So that's a lot, you know? I think it's double what you get in the store.
Yeah.
And it's cheap without work.
It is way
And it's
cheaper
good for your health.
Oh my goodness.
because this cost me like $5 and I haven't even wasted the whole thing.
Yeah.
And you know, the oil, you just keep on using it, and you know,
You
I
make
still,
soap patches.
yeah, you have like so much, you know? I think the only thing you will kind of go and buy more
More
is
is
this,
the coconut.
Yes.
but I mean, it's
Because
worth
that
it.
you use more of the
Yeah.
coconut.
And
Yes.
sometimes they have buy one, get one free.
So that's a
This,
market. in
this one, this
John's.
John's Meat Market.
in the
Yeah.
valley, huh?
In the
Yeah, it's in the valley. It's like a Persian.
The one
No,
in
it's
Sepulveda?
actually well, this
Or
one
Bananas?
is no. It's where I live. It's on Roscoe and what's that? Winnetka.
Old
maybe?
stuff.
Oh, by Rosita.
Yeah, Rosita. Yeah, and then I froze this one and see.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Well, you need to make pizza.
Yeah, I was gonna do
How
that.
would you freeze it?
Oh, weird.
You just leave it overnight, or is that?
No, I made it in the morning. I made it in the morning, and then while I was prepping all this stuff and multitasking and here and there, and then probably it froze like in an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, so this much, and also because it's in a stainless steel.
And then it keeps this consistency after that.
Yeah, it does. It does. When you leave it in the fridge. And where's the bread?
Right there.
I forgot what I was gonna say about the butter.
Now, see now, I make my, I make my own butter, but it's not vegan, no, sure. And it takes like 5 minutes just to do, because all it is heavy cream, you know, and but at the same time, it's